Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned sweet peas. First, open a 15-ounce can of sweet peas and carefully drain all the liquid. Next, rinse the peas under cool running water in a colander to remove excess sodium and improve their fresh taste. Then, transfer the clean peas into a small saucepan, ready for heating. This simple preparation ensures your peas are ready for delicious enhancements. To elevate the flavor, add about 1/4 cup of water or chicken broth to the saucepan with your peas. Stir in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, allowing it to melt and coat the peas for a rich, creamy texture. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. You can also add a sprig of fresh mint for an extra layer of brightness. Gently heat the peas over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes, or until they are thoroughly warmed. Avoid overcooking to maintain their vibrant color and tender texture. These versatile peas make an excellent side dish for almost any meal, from roasted chicken to grilled fish. They also add a delightful pop of color and sweetness when mixed into pasta salads or rice pilafs. If you have any leftover peas, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. When you're ready to enjoy them again, simply reheat gently on the stovetop or in the microwave until warm. This ensures minimal waste and maximum enjoyment. Also, for amazing smart home deals and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to check the description below for the link and other great offers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.